As you can see, the water changes color, and before long, this entire glass of water will be red. So what does this have to do with us? We can compare ourselves to this glass of water. The physical glass itself represents our bodies. The water inside the glass represents what is inside of us, our minds and our hearts. In the real world, we cannot just put a lid and cut ourselves off from what is happening in the world, in our communities, and in our families. All this that happens outside of us affects what happens inside of us and how we feel. We may not even be aware that it's happening, but it does touch us. It colors our thoughts and it affects how we feel. We must realize what we are carrying and what it is doing to us. If we ignore this, we may end up being like the camel, where the final straw breaks our back. So, keeping our eyes wide open for what is happening around us and in our lives, and realizing that all of this can become very heavy for us to carry. That is the starting point of learning how to get better at dealing with the load. To open your eyes, to listen to your heart, and to check on yourself so that you can notice the signs that you are getting close to a breakdown. That is the first step in staying strong.
Let me tell you a story. A grandfather once told his grandchildren, he said, "My children, each of us has two wolves inside of us. The one wolf is fear, helplessness, and hopelessness. The other wolf is courage, strength, and hope. These two wolves fight within us every day." The children were eager to know more and asked, "Which wolf wins, grandfather? Which one wins?" What do you think the grandfather answered? He said, "The one that I feed wins." What does this story mean to us? We all at times feel helpless and fearful, but also inside of us we have the courage, the strength, and hope. Which of these voices do we choose to listen to? Which of these wolves do we feed? So remember, what's in your heart and mind affects every choice you will make today and every step you will take today. And every step that you take today will affect where you end up tomorrow. So make sure that your attitude is one that is pulling you forward and not holding you back in life.